Hi everyone, David Mailer here, and today I'm going to show you really quickly how to find in Excel hidden links. So here's some links right here in the middle of this page. I've got links that are just word links to something. You can see if I click here, you can see the link beneath it. It could be to another piece of this this workbook right here. I've got ones to Google with the word in it. I've got also full URLs and just the name with .com next to it. So what I'm going to show you here is, what if these were somewhere else in the sheet? What if you had a bunch of different sheets here and you forgot where you put it? So let's take this, and I'm going to hide this row. So let's just do this, and let's hide that row. It's gone, right? So I don't know where it is. So it's quick and easy to find. What you're going to do is you're going to go up here, go to Find and Select, not Sort and Filter, Find and Select, hit Find. You bring up this nice little box right here, right? And in here, what we're going to do, let's just backspace this. You have Find What, Within, and Look In, and of course Search. You can buy column or by row. It doesn't really matter there. It's going to find it. If you have more things, like if you had Google.com and a bunch of different fields, you might want to use one versus the other to see how you want to return that. So let's just say, remember I had Google. Okay, I had some .com. So what if we hit .com, right? We should be able to find those easy, right? And what we want to do is, in the workbook, by columns, and I'm going to pick formulas. I could pick values too. I don't think that really matters much in this case. So you hit Find Next, it'll take you to the next one. I want to hit Find All, right? So it can't find them. Look at that. So let's see. Now let's change this from values though to formulas. And oh yeah, there is a difference. Watch. Boom. But I don't see all of them. I only see two of them. I can't see it here because it's hidden, but it tells me it's in there. But I can click here and get the full information. I can find the Microsoft.com one. I can find the Starburst.com because it finds the .com. And I forgot, in case you forgot what the whole URL is. But it doesn't find the other ones because it can't read the comment. So this, when I pull this back out, right? And we look at this. Oh, let's unhide it here first. That might help. Let's hit this, unhide, and then we bring it back out. There we go. And see in here, once you put it to a word, it's relying on the underlying data. See that right there? It can't search that. It can't see that. So what you would have to do is play with it and remember the name. So if I said share, right, instead, there it is. And it finds it. It would be hidden, but it would find it for me. Now, what if I hit .xl? You're saying, well, why would I want to look for that? Well, if that was in the actual field here, then it would find it. So see the underlying data here for let's pick one of these guys here, right there. See, it's .xlsx. So let's do this. Can it find it? No, it can't. You see, because it's not in the actual name that's shown in the field. It has to be the name shown in the field for this to work. But once you figure this out, this is very simple to find. I could be looking for anything. I could say maybe it had Google in the name, right? So let's hit Google. So you don't need to have the .com, right? Watch. It found it right there. Okay? That's how simple and easy it is to find URLs anywhere on your sheet. But just keep in mind, if you change them to where it's a URL with a name like this, renamed URLs. So like if I go to this and I edit the hyperlink, if I change this part, the text to display, from this, I have to search under this. I can't these pieces. I have to search under bike or bike share or bike share dataset or dataset or something like that. I won't find it by this. So that's the important difference there. So again, you can create your URLs if you want to do that here with edit, open, remove. These are your hyperlink things here. And then basically once you've created it, if I didn't create one, then I can create one right here with link. And you can rename it there. But keep in mind, you're only going to be able to find what's shown here. So even though this is hidden, I'm only going to see what's shown here. And it'll tell me exactly what cell, what sheet. If I search by workbook, if I am in another sheet, and I search by sheet, it's going to search within that sheet. It won't search this sheet, and I won't see this. So you have to make sure you pick workbook if you want workbook. If you want all your sheets, then you pick, find what, within, search by columns. You can search by rows. It doesn't matter. Just return your data a little bit differently. and look in by columns. Let's do that. Let's do by rows, formulas. There it is. See, it's right there. Okay? Same thing. I-19. And it's your exact cell reference. So that's how it works. Hope you found that interesting and helpful. If you're making a bunch of Excel sheets and you forget where the URL is, you don't know where it went, it was hidden, you're not sure, you got 20 sheets down here, this is the way to find it. Just start, you stick with names that you'll remember. Or better yet, just stick with the original URL. Because if you do that, everything, as you saw here, if I change this to .com, so everything that's .com would then show up, find all. See that? If I were to change this to www, watch what happens. I've got this one, and I've got the TD Ameritrade, but I don't have starburst.com. So you want to stick with a convention like the full URL, or at least www. Then you always get everything. Hope you found this helpful. Please take a moment and like and subscribe, and have a great day.